My Father, my God, in this quiet, sacred space where the old year breathes its final breath and the new one begins to whisper its promise, I come to you. I come not with resolutions written in human pride, but with the dust of my heart laid bare before your throne. I confess the weight I carry, the exhaustion of fighting battles I should have surrendered, and the quiet, persistent fear that this year might just be a painful echo of the last. You are the only constant in a world that shifts like sand. You know the silent anxieties that grip my soul. You know the debt that worries me, the relationships that need your healing hand, and the bold dream I am terrified to start. I bring all of it to you now, because you are the God who finishes the incomplete and makes beautiful the undone. I surrender the fear of the future and choose the absolute certainty of your unwavering faithfulness. I rest in the truth that you are Elohim, the Creator, and my life is securely held in your capable hands. This year, I consciously exchange my striving for your grace, my worry for your peace. I stand before you with empty hands, ready to receive your divine fullness. O Lord, let me speak my soul's fervent prayer into the foundation of this new chapter. I pray, O Lord, for an overflow of your divine favor to mark every single calendar day. Where doors were previously shut by limitation, I pray that they will swing wide open with effortless grace. Not through my exhaustive struggle, but through your gentle, powerful alignment. I declare this year to be defined by open heavens and undeniable flow. A flow that exceeds abundantly all that I can ask or think. A blessing that makes rich and adds no sorrow. I ask you for a divine clarity in the weeks ahead. Show me the paths I must abandon and the uncomfortable pivots I must make to step fully into the calling you placed upon me. Lift the fog of confusion and guide my steps to the place where my unique purpose meets your abundant provision. Silence the noise of comparison so that I may focus only on the distinct path you have set just for me. I refuse to look left or right, but only forward toward your light. I pray specifically, fervently, for a financial flow that is stable, generous, and effortless. May every seed I sow this year in effort, time, and service yield 100-fold return. I ask for resources not just to meet my needs, but to overflow, allowing me to be a faithful conduit of your generosity to others. I declare an end to the spirit of scarcity and lack in my heart and in my home. I ask for divine wisdom to manage what you entrust to me, honoring your abundance with responsible stewardship. I ask for divine acceleration. Where things have moved slowly, let them speed up. Let delays be dissolved. And let the years that were stolen by distraction or fear be instantly restored. Bring me into contact with my destiny helpers, the people you have specifically positioned to advance my purpose. Let our connections be instant, strong, and fruitful. I pray for the divine breaking of cycles. Any pattern of poverty, generational anxiety, or repetitive failure that has followed my lineage, I ask that you sever its hold on my life now. I declare that I am a new beginning, a clean break, and that your covenant of blessing defines my future, not the struggles of my past. My Father, do not just bless my circumstances, empower my character. I ask for a profound transformation within me. Grant me the divine fortitude to say no to what distracts me and yes to what defines me. Let me be a person of unflinching integrity, whose word is a covenant. Guard my thoughts against bitterness, cynicism, and fear disguised as prudence. I ask for divine patience to endure the long season of growth. Grant me the inner quiet to continue the work even when the path is silent and the results are slow to appear. Help me to trust the hidden process, knowing that you are working even when I cannot see your hand moving. I pray for the divine humility to learn from criticism and the divine confidence to ignore comparison. Let my validation come solely from your acceptance of me. May I walk in the quiet strength of knowing exactly who I am and whose I am. Remove the spirit of arrogance when I succeed and the spirit of shame when I stumble. Let me be resilient, not brittle, when life presses against me. I pray for a healing of the memory. Let the pain of last year's failures be transformed into wisdom for today's strength. Heal the deep places in my heart that still flinch from old betrayals or disappointment. Where I feel broken, remind me that the fractured pieces of my life are precisely what you use to display your light and your redemptive power. I pray for the healing of my most important relationships. Where there is strife, bring reconciliation. Where there is coldness, restore warmth. Help me to love others with the same unconditional grace you have lavished upon me. I surrender the need to be right and embrace the humility to seek peace. Let my home be a sanctuary of love, order, and deep peace, a true reflection of your kingdom on earth. I ask for the divine restoration of my health, spirit, soul, and body. I declare that weariness is broken and every cell in my body aligns with your perfect design. I receive energy, vitality, and restful sleep. Let my body be a fit, strong vessel for your purpose this year. My Father, commission my heart for the work ahead. Clothe me in the mantle of quiet confidence and the armor of your truth. I pray for a hedge of protection around my mind, guarding me against doubt, anxiety, and the thief of fear. Let your peace, your shalom, stand watch over my soul. Protect my family and my loved ones from harm, sickness, and deception, keeping us hidden under the shadow of your wing. When I am exhausted, remind me that your strength is the gentle current beneath my own fragile efforts. When I am tempted to quit, remind me of the promise of a better harvest that is already guaranteed by your boundless love. I rest entirely now in deep gratitude. Thank you that every blessing and every beautiful promise for this year is already set into motion. I thank you for the divine flow that is already underway. I thank you for the provision I have not yet seen, but know is already on its way to me. I thank you for the divine wisdom that is guiding my every step. I receive your peace now, the deep, unshakable peace that guards my soul from all worry and striving. I am commissioned by your love, guided by your divine wisdom, and sustained by your never-ending flow. My life is dedicated to your purpose, and my future is secured by your promise. I declare that this is my year of divine breakthrough, divine rest, and divine harvest. I am grateful for the victory that is already mine. Amen.